again and welcome to the third part of Kitchen Floor Phoneme Frame. We are going to spell 4 more words using the phoneme frame. The first word you are going to spell is sleep. You might go to sleep at night. Tell me the sounds you can hear in sleep. S, l, e, p. So we're going to have s, l, e, p. Sleep. Can you point to the first 2 sounds that we need in sleep? So in sleep we need s, l, e, p. Sleep. So well done if you chose these 2 letters to go on the beginning. Next word you're going to write is creep. You might creep somewhere really quietly so nobody hears you. Tell me the sounds you hear in creep. K, r, e, p. So we're going to have k, r, e, p. Creep. Can you point to the first 2 sounds we need to make the word creep? Let's see if you're right. In creep we need k, r, e, p. Creep. Well done if you chose these 2. Let's put them back. Your next word is steep. If you walk up a steep hill, it's not going to be flat. It could be really steep like that. Tell me the sounds in steep. S, t, e, p. So we're going to have s, t, e, p. Can you point to the first 2 sounds we need to make steep? Let's see if you're right. So we needed s, t, e, p. Steep. So well done if you chose these 2 to go on the beginning. And your last word is sweep. You might have to sweep the floor with a broom if you make a mess. Tell me the sounds you hear in sweep. S, w, e, p. So we're going to have s, w, e, p. Can you point to the first 2 sounds that we need to put at the beginning of sweep? Let's see if you were right. In sweep we need s, w, e, p. Sweep. Well done. You've done lots of good spelling today, and if you've got a kitchen floor that has squares on it, you might be able to use that as a phoneme frame. Or you might have some patio slabs in your back garden that have squares on. You might be able to use those as a giant phoneme frame as well. That's a fun way to practice your spellings. Enjoy!